Hey everyone, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In this 5-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you a super easy everyday makeup look which you can wear for school or for work or any occasion you want to wear it for. Now the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre, and I'm using the Sigma Beauty P84 brush, which is my favorite brush to apply this primer. So what this primer does, it removes all the redness from the eyelid, and it's going to make sure that my eyeshadow is going to stay flawless all day. Now for today's video, I'm using this palette from ViseArt. I took the lightest color and I used it to set my primer. And then now I'm taking this more neutral, warm color. And I'm going to use this for all the way in my crease, blending it back and forth with my Sigma Beauty E40 brush. All the brushes I'm using today are included in the brush kit that I created together with Sigma. I have it linked down in the description bar, so if you want to shop my brush kit, the link is in the description bar. Now I'm going to take the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner and I'm going to use this to create my wing liner. I'm taking a Sigma Beauty E75 brush and I'm going to start with creating a simple line above the lash line. This is always what I start with when I create my eyeliner, and then now I want to show you like how I kind of like decide where I want the line of my wing liner to be. I want it to start like at the outer end of where my lash line ends, towards my eyebrow, as you can see right now. And then I'm gonna kind of like fill in the wing, create the shape. I think the wing kind of depends on your eye shape. If your eyes are a little bit more hooded, you might want to do a little bit more of a shorter wing, but this is how I do it. And yeah, I find it always really easy to do. So now I'm going to take a Tatti Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to apply it right underneath the wing liner. This is kind of going to clean up the messiness. It's going to make it look really sharp. I really love to use this after creating my wing liner. Even though you might feel like it doesn't really need to happen, it always makes a huge difference. And it just makes it look really fleeky. Now I'm taking a E50 brush from Sigma with this brown color on it. I'm going to use this right underneath the lower lash line. This is actually my favorite brush for this step because it's a really flat brush. The brush is actually called Flat Diviner, so the name kind of speaks for itself. Then I'm taking this tiny blending brush, kind of mixing both colors and blending this all the way underneath the lower lash line. This brush is also included in my brush kit, which is perfect because you can use it for cream products, but you can also use it for powders. Now today I'm taking this primer to the test. I used it for the first time. It's a invisible primer from Katvond, and I used it to apply a little bit of this pigment. The one that I used is by MAC Cosmetics. It's called Naked. Haven't used this in so long, but it's actually such a beautiful product. I'm also going to use it for underneath the brow bone. So now I'm taking this pencil from Zoeva. It's the Karnat pencil. It's a really beautiful nude toned pencil, which is going to make your eyes appear bigger. And I think we naturally all have kind of like a reddish undertone in the waterline. So this is kind of going to make it more neutral and look more fresh. Now I'm going to curl the lashes. I always do this before applying my mascara. I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, which is my absolute favorite mascara. I used it a million times on my YouTube channel. I just really love it. It really lifts the upper lashes and it also makes my lower lashes super long, which is one of the reasons why I really like it. Now, if you recreate this eye look and you're not kind of like into fake lashes, you can keep it for what it is right now and just leave it like this and you're ready to go. Or you can apply some fake lashes like I'm doing. I'm using lashes from Tatti Lashes. I will put the name of the style that I used in the description bar. These are really beautiful, really wispy, fluffy. They're really beautiful and I think they suit really nicely with today's eye look. And yeah, I applied them using a tweezer and then I pressed with my fingers against my own natural lashes so they kind of are more pressed together. Now went back in with the Naked pigment from MAC Cosmetics, applied a little bit of that underneath the brow bone as well. Such a beautiful pigment. This used to be such a popular shade. Everyone used to use it. So I thought, let me just use it again because it's so pretty and I kind of missed using it. So then I went in with a blending brush with a little bit of that shade which we used in the crease on it to kind of blend everything together. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed this super quick makeup tutorial. Let me know what you want to see next. I have actually a lot of cool videos coming for y'all. And yeah, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye.